Camouflage is when an animal's color, pattern or shape allows it to blend into its surroundings, while mimicry is when one animal evolves to look like another species. Both are survival strategies used to avoid predators or to better hunt prey. For example, a praying mantis uses camouflage to blend in with plants, while a harmless snake using Bayesian mimicry might look like a venomous one. Definition: one species evolves to resemble another species. Purpose: to gain a survival advantage, often by deceiving predators. Examples: Bayesian mimicry. A harmless species mimics a harmful one, e.g. a non-venomous snake that looks like a venomous one. Mullerian mimicry. Two or more harmful species evolve to resemble each other, reinforcing the warning signal to predators, e.g. several different species of poisonous frogs with similar patterns. Wasmannian mimicry. A species lives inside another's nest by resembling it, e.g. an ant mimicking beetle.